Hello guys, this is Dhanesh and I have completed successfully the task 8 at the Spark Foundation, and the task was to perform the EDA on the COVID-19 dataset. So let's start. So this is the first story which shows us the total number of deaths and the total number of cases country wise. So using this stuff we can infer that these are some highly affected countries due to the COVID-19 breakdown, and we can see that the United States is the one having the highest number of counts in the total deaths. The Brazil stands at second. The India stands at third. So India do have the COVID cases, which ranks India in the second highest position. But in terms of deaths, the India is at third. There are high number of deaths than the India and the Brazil due to the COVID-19 situation. So these are some top countries which are affected due to this breakdown. Here we can see that if the India is considered, we can see that how the total cases and the total number of deaths have increased drastically along the months in this year. So we can see that it all started in the month of April in India. There was and as the time goes, the number of cases and the number of deaths increased drastically along the time. So in the December as well, we have the high number of cases and the high number of deaths. So let's see for the at the United States stand at the top. We can see the graph of the United States as well. In the United States, it all started in the month of March, and in the India, it all started in the month of April. So the United States is the one where the COVID breakdown was first before India. So using this graph, we can infer that there are as in this graph also we can infer that there are the higher number of cases and the high number of deaths as the time goes on. And then and the count has increased drastically in the US as well. The third graph shows us the age group per country. So if we consider the Japan, there is a median age group which were affected, and the count of the median age group of 15,761 out of the total cases, and the person who are aged, that is above 70, there are 6,000, and above 65 it is 8,845, which is around the 9,000. So this graph shows us the age group which is affected due to the COVID-19 situation country wise. So the Japan is the top highest where the median number of age group was affected. The median number of age group were affected across all the countries. This is the age group which works more than the children and the aged person. So the median age is the one which is most affected now as well. This story tells us about the new deaths and the new cases month wise. So in the Jan we were not having any cases, but it all started for the month of Feb, and yeah, it all started in the month of Feb, and then it goes it increased by the March, April, May, June over the time. And yeah, here we can see that December has the highest number of cases, new cases reported, and the new deaths as well. Then out of the total COVID cases, we can infer here the 15 lakh 4,000 cases uh, were having the male smokers, considered the male smokers, and the female smokers as 4 lakh 85,000 out of the total cases. These are the facilities. This graph shows us the facilities versus the new cases. So, as the facilities in the sense, the hand sanitizer facilities. Suppose if we consider if the government has taken the initiative to do it, then the COVID cases should reduce in terms of numbers. The new cases will not, because the coronavirus is the one which needs to be for which we need to take a precaution, such as wash our hands, use masks. So these are some steps which are taken by the government, and due to which the number of counts has reduced for many countries. The India has taken the initiative, but there is a high population in India. It was not able to control, and the count has increased drastically. But if we consider the another cities, another countries, so we can see there are the hand washing facilities are provided by the government, and the count is low for the new cases. So this is the final figures we can infer, that is the total number of cases, total number of deaths till now. And if we need to see it month wise, so we can see it. If we need to see date wise, we can also see it. So yes. So this graph shows us the diabetes prevalence. That is, in the United States, there were more diabetes patient for the new cases which were registered. Uh, we can infer that the total number of cases, out of the total number of cases, COVID cases in the United States, the 10% of the cases having were the diabetic patients. So in the United States is ranks at the top, and if we see, the India ranks at second. There are 10% of the cases which were diabetic patients in the COVID situation. Then using this graph, we can infer that as the total number of cases increased week by week, so this is the visualization by week. As the time goes on, the cases number of cases increased, and this is the total number of deaths as well. As the case increased, it was having the positive, it was having the impact on the number of deaths as well. If the cases increased, there were no the deaths were also more because because of the medical facilities, or the any other reason, the age group which we can consider. So it has been impact on that. The next graph is shows us the top 10 countries for the total cases. So as we have seen at the very beginning, the United States was the one where having the most number of cases registered. The India ranks at second, and the Brazil ranks at third. If we see in the month of Jan, there were no cases. In the month of Feb, the United States were having the 68 COVID cases. Then the Spain was the highest. The United States was the fourth. The India was fifth. Then along with the April, United States again went to top. Then in the month of May, the United States, Brazil, Spain, and then India was third. Then India came on the second, and the Brazil went up third. So these are the total number of cases which were reported. Which were in And the final is, and this is the dashboard which I have created for the COVID situation. So yeah. So that's it from my end. Hope you liked it. Please comment down below and let me know your thoughts and your views on this. Thank you Sparks Foundation for giving me this opportunity as I completed all the tasks. And thank you everyone. Have a good day.